Hello everyone, welcome to Misbah Informative. In today's video, we'll talk about an amazing technology that's revolutionizing the world of coding, AI, Code Assistant. Watch this video till the end as we'll cover everything you need to know about it. AI Code Assistant is a software or platform powered by artificial intelligence that helps developers, students, or anyone interested in coding. It can perform various tasks such as writing code, debugging code, fixing errors, explaining algorithms, optimizing code, and translating code between different programming languages. AI Code Assistant works based on advanced AI models such as OpenAI, trained on huge data sets of coding information. You simply type your query or share your code, and it provides the solution instantly. For example, let's say you're writing a program in Python, and you encounter an error. Just copy the error message into the AI Code Assistant, and it will give you the solution immediately. Why is this tool so special? Here are some of its key benefits. It saves time by resolving issues in minutes. It's user-friendly for beginners or experts. It offers multi-language support, and it provides educational support like having a personal tutor if you're learning to code. AI Code Assistant is used by developers, students, freelancers, and professionals for tasks like app development, web development, data science, game design, and much more. This technology is still in its early stages, but in the future it will become even smarter and more efficient. Who knows, one day we might be able to build entire software just by speaking to it. So that was all about AI Code Assistant. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel, Misbah Informative, for more amazing content. Until next time, take care and goodbye.